This is so crazy. Before leaving the house this morning, I ordered this and it actually came so fast. Super fast. This, I love it. It looks really good. It's actually bigger in size and it's really beautiful. This is my first time using it. But so far, Chefman, I love it. Love it.
Okay, the Chefman Power Infusion Tea Kettle. Love it. The entire lid comes off for easy filling and cleaning. It has a built-in infuser, so you can do loose leaf tea. When it's red, it's heating up. When it's done heating, it'll turn green, and it'll stay warm for 1 whole hour afterwards. 10 out of 10.
Absolutely love this product. The color is not the same as they advertise. It's a little bit darker, but it looks beautiful, and it can take up to 1.8 liters of water, and it takes quite some time to boil the water, like especially when you have it fully loaded. I think it takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and when it's almost done, you can see these bubbles and it switches off by itself. When the light goes off, you know that it's switched off and it's ready to use. I also like that you can take this entire lid out, so it's very easy to fill the water. All in all, I think it's a great product. It feels a little heavy when you fill the water like to its maximum capacity, but otherwise, I think it's a great product. I love it.
If you're a big tea drinker, or you're just looking for something, to boil your water really quickly, I highly recommend this. You push the down button, boils the water. It boils it actually pretty quickly. The top is super easy to take off too. I feel like it's almost magnetic in a way. And I bought one. My sister actually bought one too. She absolutely loved it when she saw it at my house. You can see how quickly that water starts to boil. And it hasn't even been a minute yet. It's super easy to use. This handle is very sturdy. I feel like I always get nervous about spilling or I don't know, the handle slipping or something like that, and then hot water burning me everywhere. But this thing is actually very high quality. Look how quickly. You can't even hear it. And usually I don't really like my tea extremely hot because I'm a wuss, so I'll put some cold water in it afterwards. But yeah, this is great for cooking ramen or making teas, boiling water just to cook something on the stove. It just cuts your cooking time down in half, or even less, honestly. I enjoy it. I use it every single day, and hope this video helps someone.